How can I identify my portfolio bottleneck?
How can I identify the bottleneck?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for the question. Look for the queue. Look for the queue. Look for the queue. Look for the queue. It's just where's the logo? Where's the? It's just fluid mechanics. Nothing to it. It's so easy. Yeah. Right. In any portfolio, the projects will end up piled up and blocked by the bottleneck, right? So you go through your system and you count how many projects are in that department, how many projects are at that stage, how many projects are at that stage. And when you find one where there's a huge queue and just after it there's a lot less, right? You found your bottleneck, okay? Typically we find 1/3 of the portfolio is sitting in front of the bottleneck, okay? So finding a bottleneck is quite simple. The queue is there. Watch out, as you can see from this diagram, there's a lot of work in progress everywhere before the bottleneck, right? So there's going to be big queues all over the place. Find the place where there's a breakthrough, where just afterwards it clears up, right? That's the solution. And depends on the environment, whether you have to look in the computer or look at the paperwork or look at the management routines and the number of Kanban stickers on the boards and all that sort of stuff. But you want to find where the biggest queue is, where the blockage is, okay? And often people are trying, we're in new product development, right? Often people are trying to develop tomorrow's products with yesterday's capabilities, right? So I can guess before I even visit the company where the bottleneck's going to be, and it's quite simple. It's easy for somebody sitting on the outside to say, it's there, right? You're trying to develop tomorrow's products with yesterday's capabilities. So you've got probably sufficient number of mechanical engineers to design the housing, the pipes and whatever. But you're planning to put more IT into your thing, more software, more these sorts of things, and you'll find out you don't have enough electricians or you don't have enough people in software engineering, right? That's one aspect to be taken into account. The other thing is, strangely, and it's violent in quite a few businesses, watch out, testing, the final stage, testing will be the bottleneck. It happens often, much too often. Why much too often? Because it is the worst possible place in the system to have a bottleneck. It means there's piles of work in progress everywhere, but nothing is coming out because it can't be tested, right? So that's one final point. The other is kind of crazy, and I guess you're just going to have to hear me and probably not believe me, but I've been doing this for decades, right? The number of times where it ends up being one or two people in the organization, right? You have 150 engineers in this building, right? And when you finish looking and understanding, you'll find out that it's just one guy, Albert, who's the bottleneck, okay? And it's partially a joke, but only partially. We can find him by counting the number of people running after him in the corridors, waiting for a signature or an opinion or whatever, right? And by the way, if it's one of your key experts, probably about to retire in the next 3 years and you haven't done anything about that, but anyway, that is a gold mine, because you're going to be able to protect him and get him to produce 3 times more within a week by making him, protecting him from all the madness around him. Okay, and so your whole portfolio, your whole organization, the 150 people in that building will suddenly produce 3 times more than they used to produce. Okay, so finding the bottleneck is what I've described. You look for the queue. Sometimes it's kind of strange because it can just be one person, right, in 150. The guy who's got the systems view, because he's been there, he knows he's got the answers to the complicated questions, right? Because he knows the subject better. So it can be one guy or a department, or watch out, it can be testing. It happens often.